So much for joining us, everyone. I'm Elizabeth Kling.
And I'm Tony Lopez. It's a major turning point in the months-long pandemic that has devastated the country, as you know. The logistical operation itself is massive. Around 2.9 million doses of Pfizer's vaccine, they're being shipped out this week to 30 cities across the country. 327,000 of those doses are headed to California by the end of the week, sent to 7 hospitals across the state, including UC Davis.
CBS 13's Marissa Perlman is live outside the Med Center in Sacramento with more on the vaccine and when you can expect to get it. Marissa.
Yeah, UC Davis is set to get its first shipment of the vaccine tomorrow. Kaiser by midweek, and frontline workers, the first to get them, are standing by.
For me, I believe that this is the solution to this sadness, this pandemic.
Eva Teniola, a longtime nurse, is patient zero. Once she gets the call, she'll be the first person to receive the COVID-19 vaccine at UC Davis. She says she's doing this for the safety of her family.
A lot of people depended on me, and I have loved ones to take care.
Pfizer partnered with UC Davis in August to carry out part of their clinical trial testing the vaccine. Jessica Hallstrom volunteered, though she doesn't know whether she got a placebo.
I had really intense chills, a little bit of nausea, headache, a lot of just shivering.
UC Davis Hospital CEO Dr. David Lebarski says they'll get 5,000 vaccines total. Frontline workers will be first, with 1,000 vaccines distributed a day. They'll start with those in the emergency department. That includes not only doctors and nurses, but also custodians and those who deliver food to patients.
We will win, and we will conquer the pandemic. We can't let our guard down.
Dr. Lebarski celebrating the beginning of the end, but there's still a lot of work to do. State Senator Dr. Richard Pan, and one of the nation's top vaccine experts, says despite the rollout, it will still be months before the general public gets one.
It's very exciting that we know that the end is in sight, but we still have a ways to go.
Yeah, Dr. Pan says both vaccines, Moderna and Pfizer, are proving to be at least 90% effective. Here at UC Davis, they're actually tracking the arrival of the vaccines by FedEx, a tracking system.
All right, it'll be quite an interesting week there. Thanks, Marissa.